Hey guys, I'm Jalen Garcia, and my papa is going to fix the car with the engines. So let's take a look. Okay, Papa, you're on. Yeah, you got the exact value. Okay. You got the car. So as you can see, the engine on the power is temporarily dead. As you can plainly see. So my papa would decide to charge it. Well, dang, this is gonna be a lot of hard work for my dad. Oh, sorry. Looks like the... So, my papa is going to... I'll hold it just right here.
So go. Wait. Don't touch. Ready?
Yep. So, I'm not gonna touch it.
And now these two.
The claws.
Red.
I got it. You got it, Papa?
Got it. Keeps moving up. Got it. Now the black. Gotta go black.
Can I let go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let go. This one goes here. Let's see. Now hang it.
You got it, Papa?
Yeah.
Almost?
I got it, man.
Well, Papa's going to put the black claw over here.
The metal, yeah, as long as it's metal, actually, I'll do it over here then.
Actually, he's going to do it right over here. So, we're gonna, yeah.
Because it's metal.
Yep, looks like it. He's going to turn on the engine and see how it goes. I'm going to back up a little. I will.
You have to do it? Oh, go ahead, side.
So, I have to start the key. Follow me. So in order to start the so push brake and the start switch. Oh, not yet. So just wait for a minute and let's get going. And so I have to start again. It worked now. It finally worked out amazingly. Yep, it works.
Japanese.
Easy peasy Japanesey. Well, that concludes the video. I'm Jalen Garcia, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.